What up, YouTube? Short little video for today. Got some packages in, some stuff that I ordered. Don't want to show my address, so I have them flipped around. But some simple mods that you can do. Not all mods have to be expensive. I wish they did have an OEM part for this, but they don't, so I went with this one. Let me unbox them, and then or unpackage them, and then we'll get to it. These are mirror visors. I thought they're pretty cool, so it says that it fits my car, so we'll take a look. We'll try one on and see how it looks. They're held on by double stick tape, so you want to clean underneath the surface, obviously. Use some like rubbing alcohol or just wipe it down. Don't use wax or anything, because obviously the 3M won't stick. Not really. So they go like so. I guess you gotta bend it in the mirror, because right now they seem a little too long. So let me figure this out real quick. Well, there you go, it's installed. So you just gotta bend this side. It's pretty flexible. But yeah, here we go. That's how it looks. I think it adds a nice touch too to the mirror. Fairly cheap online. I'll put the link below. It's like $7. Second package we got. Sticker slap from Never Content. If you haven't heard about them, check them out on Instagram. They got some good stuff. I like it. Probably put that on the back of my seat or something. Doesn't seem like it could get wet because it doesn't have like a clear over it. So yeah, like I said, it's a short video today, so I'll link what I got below if you guys want to purchase it. It can use a better 3M tape, I want to say. Other than that, I mean, it's a cheap mod for under $10. It looks good too. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, guys. Peace.